Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing power and data, charge to 50% or more, and connect a known good USB cable. Once done, remove the SIM and SD to avoid conflicts, then force power off by holding power for 10 to 15 seconds. Next, boot to the recovery or bootloader using the device-specific button combo, volume up plus power on many phones. You perform these steps to isolate software issues from hardware or external storage, and to prepare for safe repair actions without risking data corruption. You now target the common culprits: cache system files and interrupted updates. First, choose Wipe Cache Partition from Recovery. This clears temporary files while keeping your apps and data intact. If that fails, try applying the official OTA. Select Apply Update from ADB and run a DB sideload update. Zip on your computer. This repairs system files. If sideload is unavailable, download the correct firmware and use the bootloader flashing tool. Reserve Factory Reset as a last resort because it erases your personal data and settings. For final recovery, perform a factory reset if wipes and updates did not resolve the logo loop. Remember, you will lose personal data. Once reset completes, reboot and check boot behavior. If the device remains stuck, reflash the stock firmware using the manufacturer's flash tool and correct device package. This restores corrupted system partitions. If reflashing fails repeatedly, suspect hardware, test battery, storage, or power circuits, and consider professional service. Tip: if you see error codes, note them. They guide the next steps for repair or.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.